We're now understanding Atiq Ahmed matter has now reached the Supreme Court. The plea is seeking to stop the transfer of Atiq Ahmed from the Ahmedabad jail to the Prayagraj jail. That's the update that's coming in. Opposers move to Prayagraj jail from the Ahmedabad jail. Let's also now bring in our colleagues. Ananya Bhatnagar is tracking all developments coming in from Supreme Court. Pranshu Mishra also joining us to talk about the political slugfest. But Ananya, coming to you first, talk to us about this plea that has now reached the Supreme Court.
Well, this is a petition that is filed by Atiq Ahmed, and his lawyers are expected to mention the matter tomorrow morning before the Chief Justice of India for an urgent hearing. The petition basically claims that there is security threat to Atiq Ahmed if he will be transferred from the Ahmedabad jail to a jail in Prayagraj or any other part of the state of Uttar Pradesh. It also seeks specific direction, in fact, to the authorities that he should not be transferred from Ahmedabad, Gujarat to any other place, especially in the state of Uttar Pradesh, and bodily injury or any other kind of a thing is caused to the person of the petitioner and his family members are made accused in the FIRs, and a writ in the nature of mandamus or any other appropriate writ order direction is restraining the respondent number 2 to 4 from taking the petitioner from central jail in Ahmedabad to Prayagraj is what the petition says. In this particular regard. So what happens next in this particular case, we'll get to see as to when and how this plays up before the topmost court of the country, and how the Supreme Court would actually be reacting on this particular mentioning and take place. But all of this comes down to tomorrow. However, the petition has now been filed before the topmost court of the country.
Ananya, we leave the conversation there. Thanks a lot for getting us all those details. Pranshu continues to be with us. Pranshu, let's talk about the political slugfest that's taking place as well. But first, could you give our viewers an update as far as the bulldozer action is concerned? Is that still taking place?
Yes, the action is still going on. In fact, that particular property, which belongs to one of the close associates of the Atiq gang, that property is being demolished. Now, the buzz is, and the government's argument is that Atiq Ahmed's family has stayed in this property after their premises or their residence was demolished a couple of years back. Meanwhile, this action is going on, and even as we speak, Chief Minister is also speaking here in Vidhan Sabha. At the moment, he's replying on the budget, but the sense we are getting and the input we have is that he's also going to make a reference or a statement on what has happened in the Prayagraj and what sort of action has been taken. So bulldozer policy, despite being under a lot of criticism, also is being rolled out in Prayagraj as a proof of government's determination to counter the big mafia in the state of Uttar Pradesh.
Okay, Pranshu, we leave the conversation there. Thanks a lot for getting us all those details. Let's listen in to some political reactions.
देखिए, लॉ एंड ऑर्डर डायलॉग से नहीं ठीक होगा. लॉ एंड ऑर्डर किसी डायलॉग से नहीं ठीक हो सकता है कि मिट्टी में मिला देंगे. आपने मिट्टी में मिला देने के लिए कहा, अमेठी में 2 की हत्या हो गई. तो ये लगातार पुलिस पे काम करने पर और पुलिस के ईमानदार अधिकारियों को जब मौका देंगे तब लॉ एंड ऑर्डर बेहतर होगा.
जो अपराध हुआ है प्रयागराज में श्री उमेश पाल जी की हत्या का, वह साधारण अपराध नहीं है. ऐसे अपराधियों के खिलाफ जितनी भी कानून के दायरे में कार्रवाई कठोर से कठोर की जा सकती है, की जाए, ये हम लोग अपेक्षा करते हैं और पुलिस उस कार्रवाई को आगे बढ़ा रही है.
अभी आज बाबा का बुलडोजर भी निकल आया, वहाँ पे प्रॉपर्टी गिरा रहे हैं इलाहाबाद में, प्रयागराज में.
देखिए, पूरी तरह से कानून व्यवस्था ध्वस्त है जी. पूरी तरह से मुलजिम पकड़ नहीं पा रहे हैं और बस बुलडोजर का चलेगा. बस सताए जाएंगे लोग, निर्दोष लोग सताए जाएंगे, असली मुलजिम पकड़ नहीं पाए.
क्या जो बुलडोजर चल रहा है वो तो कह रहे हैं कि आप ही लोगों ने अतीक अहमद को बनाया है.
देखिए, मेरी जानकारी में है कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी के नेताओं का 1 साल से तो मैं देख रहा था, पूरी तरह से सत्ता पक्ष का सराचर था.
समाजवादी पार्टी को जवाब देना पड़ेगा कि ये जो फोटोएं हैं जो इस हत्याकांड में, उमेश हत्याकांड में आरोपी हैं, उनकी आप ही के साथ क्यों आती है, आप ही के परिवार के साथ क्यों आती है. एक दफे इत्तेफाक हो सकता है,